Aloha! Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Steve with Maui Travel Videos. Patricia is shooting the video. You'll see her in a minute. Hey, we are at Star Noodle 2022. We've had a reservation for about a month. We've got a 6:30 reservation. Man, we have been waiting to get into here. I want to show you the new version of Star Noodle as they move down from Emerald Plaza here on Front Street behind Lahaina Cannery Mall, the old Aloha mixed plate location. Different location on the beach. Man, we are pumped up, excited, anxious to show you. So let's get going, Patricia. Hey guys, like I told you, we are behind the Lahaina Cannery Mall. There's a couple restaurants I want to show you real quick. All down here on Front Street. Mala Ocean Tavern, Honu Pizza, Frida's right there, show you the back part of Frida's, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to get ready and go into Star Noodle. So come on, I'm going to walk down the street a little bit. Traffic going by on Front Street. I'm going to go down and show you a couple other places that are awesome, and then we're going to be back here at Star Noodle. Let's go. Hey folks, like I told you, here are 3 restaurants I want to show you and a Chinese place right here called Fu Lin. This street is Kapunakea, runs right beside the Safeway. And let's keep turning around. There's the Safeway at the Lahaina Cannery Mall. So that's where we are. Don't get dizzy on me. I know I'm spinning you around here, but I want to show you a couple things. The very end cap over here is Mala Ocean Tavern. Man, this is an excellent restaurant. Got outdoor seating, really well known, and has a terrific view of the ocean and sunset, and I'm about to show you that in a minute. Over here is Honu Oceanside, mostly known for its pizza. And then down over here, I'll show it to you a little bit better in a minute, is Frida's, kind of a gourmet Mexican place. Man, these are all excellent places. This is Mala Ocean Tavern. Next door to Star Noodle is Old Lahaina Luau, generally considered the best luau on Maui, right here on Front Street.
Excited.
All right, you're excited.
We're back to Star Noodle again.
Yes, back to Star Noodle.
She got married in half a day, but we stayed in Pacific. Oh, okay. Yeah. The location is so like close, but like far away from
Oh, we check.
All right, this is the bacon and eggs. Wow.
Ooh, bacon.
All right, stir it around, Patricia. The miso salmon.
Let me try. You know Mario the best? Did you work at home too? I know work at Let me see. He's very. Wow, let's dig in.
Yeah, it looks good.
Ooh. Thank you, baby. I love it.
It looks good.
I'm like number 10 today.
What do you think, Patricia?
Oh my God. I ate them all. Oh my God, I'm so full.
Yeah, you are full, yeah? Very, very good. Very
It's
good.
really good.
Hey guys, what do you think of Star Noodle 2022? Cars, motorcycles going by here at Star Noodle, man. We ate enough food for 4 or 5 people. But anyway, it's delicious. You know, the Vietnamese crepe isn't quite as good with the shrimp as it was with the pork. Other than that, everything we had was excellent. Patricia's all ready to come back again. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hey, if you're interested in my little rack card that you saw in my previous video, send me an email. It is mauitravelvideos@gmail.com. Also, check out my Etsy store. I have a whole bunch of Maui products. I'll leave the link here, and also check out the description field for a whole bunch of links. Anyway, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you here on Maui. Make sure you bring lots of money, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you.